Class 4th. Now today we are going to study making the smallest and the greatest numbers with given digits. Now making the greatest number with given digits. If you want to make a greatest number with the digits given to you, what you have to do is, children, you have to put the digits in descending order. Suppose the given digits are 7, 8, 9, 5, 7, 0, 6. So, to form the greatest number with these digits, you are going to write them in descending order. Descending means from big to small. So, 9, 8, 7, 7, 6, 5, 0. And yes, if you find that any digits are equal, like 7 and 7, so you are going to keep them together. Clear, class? Now let's see one more example. Given digits are 6, 4, 7, 5, 3, 0, 2, 8. So how to form the greatest number? Put these digits in descending order. 8 is the largest one. Okay, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, and then 0. Is it clear, class? Now comes making the smallest number with given digits. Now this time you are going to form the smallest number. So given digits are this. In this case, what you are going to do is, you will put in ascending order. Ascending means from small to big. So 3 is the smallest one, then 4, then 5, then 8. And if the digits are equal, you are going to keep them together. Now one more example, let's see, children. Given digits are 5, 9, 3, 0, 6, 0, 2. So the number will be 0, 0, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. But children, no number can start with 0. So what you are going to do is, you are going to keep these zeros after 2. First you will write 2 and then you will write the zeros and then the other digits. Clear, class? Now on the basis of this, you will do question number 7. Make the greatest and the smallest numbers using the given digits. So the given digits are 3, 1, 7, 5, 9. So how you will make the greatest number? Write in descending order. So 9 is the greatest one. Then after 9, 7, then 5, then 3 and then 1. Clear? And to form the smallest number, you will put them in ascending order. So smallest one is 1, then 3, then 5, then 7 and then 9. Like this you will do the other questions, other parts also. One more I will do for you, so that it will be more clear to you. Here, to form the greatest number, write in descending order. So largest number is 8, then 6, then 4, then 2 and then 0. Easy. Now the smallest number, but you cannot start with 0. So first you see which number is just greater than 0, that is 2. So first you write 2, after 2 you will write 0 and then the remaining digits, that is 4, 6, 8. Now you complete this. Now with this question, our exercise 3B is complete and our chapter 3 is complete. Now you will do this math gym 1 yourself, okay, in your books only. So here we complete our 3 chapters, chapter 1, 2 and 3. Okay, have a nice day.